Howdy, y'all. Hopefully this turns out okay. I know it's a little noisy because there's a highway nearby and there's a tractor nearby and you're a little crooked because you're on a slope, and deal with it. Anyway, this isn't a food review. This time we're going with a product review. Craftsman's brushless RP20 lithium-ion V20 weed eater. I don't need that now. So I got this a couple weeks ago because this was knee-high and it was ugly. I shopped around and Lowe's had this on sale for an incredible price of $50-something with the charger, with the battery, or everyone else wants to charge you, make you buy the battery extra and charger extra, and then you're up to like a couple $100 for an off-brand. And Craftsman used to be a quality brand. So I got it, and it came with a 5 amp hour battery, and it took me 3 days to do this. Like I said, most of the stuff is knee high or some waist high, some of it thick like bamboo, so I managed to get through it. It took me 3 days because this runs out after about 30 to 45 minutes, which does not impress me. So I just got this in from Amazon. Trying to see name brand. It's a knockoff. There's several. This is 25 bucks. This will cost you 50 or 60 bucks. You see, they're practically identical. They both have the little things that tell you how much charge is in there. And this, like I said, half hour to 45 minutes, which granted, usually, especially when it's 100 degrees like right now, I'm ready to knock off after 30 minutes anyway, but I want to get stuff done. So this is my first attempt with this. Came with 2/3 of the charge. Let's see what happens now. It comes with the Craftsman. You push this, and then you slide this over, and it locks the button down. Or is it vice versa? You push this, and then hold this down, and that holds you have to do that to get it running. It's got low and high, and let's give it a shot. Oh wait, that's the feed button. It's not a bump feed like most. You have to push this to feed the doodad. Hopefully you can hear me over the tractor. Okay, push this, pull the trigger. Now I got it. The battery sounds stronger in the Craftsman. So, at the very least, I'll be able to go an hour between the two batteries. Darn tractors. Anyway, it came with one string. I had paid like 25 bucks for this 3-pack of strings. And honestly, I'm not too impressed with the strings. They keep snapping. They've gotten tangled a few times inside the case. So, for like 12 bucks, I got 6 spools and a spare cover and spring. Half the Craftsman price, just like the battery. So the stringer, it takes a little getting used to not doing the bump to get your stringer going. But the feeder works okay, I guess. I like this new battery. I think it's stronger. This one's a 6 amp hour for half the price. Yeah, it's not heavy duty, so it wasn't really meant for the heavy duty weeds I was whacking. But it got the job done. It just took me a long time. A lot of times I had to start at the top and work my way down from a bush or some shrubs. Not impressed with the battery. Not impressed with the string. So you're gonna find a cheapie. Even trying to think of my Harbor Freight. Even Harbor Freight wants like 40-50 bucks for a battery for their off-brand. Plus you have to buy the charger. So even Harbor Freight, I would have paid 150 bucks for a $50 weed eater. So this was a good buy just for the charger. Plus the batteries work. They have a whole series of V20 stuff, fans, which I could use right now, and all that kind of stuff. And then my advice is to go on Amazon and get your add-ons. That's it. It's this would be fine for around you've got a normal yard in the suburbs somewhere and just need to touch up when you mow the lawn. You need a bush hog to mow this. This is my mom's Utah yard, and it'll be snowed in half the year. So good for suburbs, not so great for the desert bush hogging. That's it. Thanks for watching, and hopefully we'll have more quality content in the near future. We'll see you next time. Bye.